blasted shit.
Back of his clap. Started to come right across the top. Flying that airplane through as he rides up out there on the air show.
Yeah, that's what would be there.
Airspeed starts to build once again. Shows what it's like.
He's gonna do it again, I think.
His friends are flying the air. Actually flying that airplane vertically. Comes in when we stop as you watch him do that. From that position, look at that, just hanging there, hanging there. His speed. Showing the controllability of the H540 at that very little speed. He's on the good right there. We're just about to stop. So you can see the momentum right there. Hang on. Boy, that sun is really showing the reflection of that very unique paint job. That is Bill Stein's trademark. All right, folks. Bill just called in because I'd really like to get a good look at all of our air show fans that are out here today. That's really nice, Bill. Just, you're gonna have to fly up higher and take a look down. He goes, oh, no. He says,
Sorry guys, I'm trying my best. They're just too fast.
Right down our show line.
So he's coming back around, I think.
Okay, hey, now we see what he's doing. There he goes. You can see all you fans out there. You can see him. Give him a great big wave. That's Bill Stein. And that's Slideways flying right here.